Hey all, welcome to ShareTrek. This is Raj here. Friends, today I want to bring you what I learned about the intersection of genomics and artificial intelligence, all from an investor perspective. It's amazing how much progress has happened in this area, and also the possibility that this progress can expedite monetization of genetic therapies going forward in our watch list. So let's get started. Welcome back, friends. The field of genomics and artificial intelligence are both experiencing tremendous growth. And the intersection of these two fields is creating a new set of investment opportunities. In this essay, we'll explore how genomics and AI are coming together and provide some insights for investors looking to get involved. First, let me define these two fields. Genomics is the study of organisms' genetic makeup and how it affects its behavior and characteristics. AI, on the other hand, is the simulation of human intelligence process by machines, especially computer systems. Both these fields are expanding rapidly, and with the genomics market expected to reach 41 billion by 2025, and the AI market expected to grow to 126 billion by 2025, as per a study, the global artificial intelligence in drug discovery market will grow from about 1.04 billion in 2022 to 1.38 billion in 2023 at a compound annual growth rate of around 31% or 32%, something in that vicinity. The artificial intelligence in drug discovery market is expected to grow to 3.74 billion in 2027. And that would be at the rate of around 28.4% compounded annual growth. So there's plenty of opportunities out here. The question is, which are the companies that participate in this particular area? And this video aims to look at the intersection of these two fields in creating new investment opportunities in several areas. One area is drug discovery, where AI can be used to analyze vast amounts of genomic data to identify potential drug targets. By combining genomics and AI, drug discovery can become faster, more efficient, and potentially leading to the development of new treatments for diseases. And in fact, today, NVIDIA announced an expanded set of generative AI cloud services for customizing AI foundation models to accelerate the creation of new proteins and therapeutics, as well as research in the field of genomics, chemistry, biology, and molecular dynamics. Part of NVIDIA AI Foundation, the new BioNeMo, where BioNeMo is spelled with a capital B, a capital N, and a capital O. BioNeMo. It's a trademark. The new BioNeMo cloud service offering for both AI model training and inference accelerates the most time-consuming and costly stages of drug discovery. It enables researchers to fine-tune generative AI applications on their own proprietary data and to run AI model inference directly in a web browser or through a new cloud application programming interface or API that easily integrates into existing applications. Another area where genomics and AI intersect is in the area of personalized medicine. AI algorithms can be used to analyze a patient's genomic data to identify personalized treatment options, considering factors such as genetic predisposition and lifestyle. This can lead to better treatment outcomes and improved patient care. Here are the words from Kimberly Powell, VP of Healthcare at NVIDIA, and she says, the transformative power of generative AI holds enormous promise for the life sciences and pharmaceutical industries. NVIDIA's long collaboration with pioneers in the field has led to the development of BioNeMo Cloud Service, which is already serving as an AI drug discovery laboratory. It provides pre-trained models and allows customization of models with proprietary data that serve every stage of the drug discovery pipeline, helping researchers identify the right target, design molecules and proteins, and predict their interactions in the body to develop the best drug candidate. And friends, the way I look at it is that to do all these things for a particular drug, there would be a need of a whole lot of human candidates actually doing the various roles, coordinating among themselves. They would need extra space, computers, and everything. Now, most of that work can be done through AI. So those people can now look at increasing their ability to contribute even much better. So all the skullduggery of pattern matching and all those kind of things are gone. They get the reports instead, and then they can go to the next step. So it's expediting everything, and it's improving the quality of work that the scientists would be doing and taking away all the administrative things from them. New generative AI models available with BioNemo service early access. We have DiffDoc to help researchers understand how a drug molecule will bind with a target protein. This model predicts the 3D orientation and docking interaction of small molecules with high accuracy and computational efficiency. Then we have another module called ESM-Fold. This protein structure prediction model using Meta's AI ESM2 protein language model can estimate the 3D structure of a protein based on a single amino acid sequence without requiring examples of several similar sequences. The next module is ESM2, which is a protein language model used for inferring machine representations of proteins, which are useful for downstream tasks such as protein structure prediction, property prediction, and protein property prediction, and molecular docking. So apart from that, they have one more module, and that is MoFlow, used for molecular optimization and small molecule generation. This generative chemistry model creates molecules from scratch, coming up with diverse chemical structures for potential therapeutics. Prot GPT-2, this language model generates novel protein sequences to help researchers design proteins with unique structures, properties, and functions. Another example is AlphaMind. Alphabet's DeepMind made a computer program called AlphaFold that uses AI to predict the shape of proteins. It can predict the shape of millions of proteins very accurately by using their building blocks. This is a great big deal because it can help scientists create new medicines faster. Therefore, investors looking to get involved in this space should also consider investing in companies that are using AI to analyze genomic data. Some examples include Illumina, which is developing AI-powered genomics tools, and IBM Watson Health, which is using AI to analyze genomic data for personalized medicine. However, investors should also be aware of the potential risks of investing in this space. One risk is the regulatory environment, as the use of AI in healthcare is still a relatively new field, and regulations are still evolving. Investors should also be aware of the potential ethical concerns around the use of genomic data, such as privacy concern and the potential for discrimination based on genetic predisposition. And I'm going to make a list of a few companies that are working on intersection of genomics and AI. Very few of them are quoted in the stock market. In fact, in my list, there is only one company that's in the stock market. The rest are all private companies. I think it's going to be similar to our genomic companies, which earlier, most of them were startups, not in the stock market, and then they came up with their IPO. And now they are in the process of getting monetized. So I think we are in the very early stages of companies which are going to use AI for genomics. So the first one I have here is In Silico Medicine. They use AI to discover new drug targets and develop therapies that are tailored to a patient's genomic profile. Another company I came across is called Freenome. They use AI to analyze genomic data from blood samples to detect early signs of cancer. Then I have another company called as Berg Health, but by the time I discovered Berg Health, they had been recently acquired by BPG Bio. They use AI to analyze genomic data and other types of data to identify biomarkers for diseases and develop personalized treatments. Then I have another company called as Sophia Genetics. Sophia Genetics is quoted in NASDAQ. It has a ticker symbol SOPH. They use AI to analyze genomic data and provide insights for clinical decision making. Then I have another private company called Tempus. They use AI to analyze genomic data and other medical data to develop personalized treatment plans for cancer patients. In conclusions, the intersection of genomics and artificial intelligence is creating new investment opportunities in areas such as drug discovery and personalized medicine. However, investors should be aware of the potential risk and ethical concerns associated with the field and should conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. But that said, this is a nascent field, and there is a very good opportunity to get into it at the ground floor as the market improves and the values come in. But at the same time, the chances of failures are very high, especially with the current economic situation where startup funding is very, very difficult. So I suspect many of these companies must be having a fund crunch also. So probably it will also go the same route as genomic companies. Maybe some of these genomic companies, like example CRISPR, when they monetize, they may decide to take over one of these smaller companies which are doing AI genomic medicine. It will be a nice integration. Or big pharma could pick them up, or companies like Illumina could pick them up. So there is a whole lot of possibilities out there, but the field has got a lot of risk and it's very early days. But the outlook looks very, very promising. And guys, you know that I'm a Trekkie, so I'm going to bring a Trekkie perspective out here. So when we started off with 3D printers, we came across the concept of even being able to print a house or print a machine part, print in various materials. So that was another way of creating stuff. And if you recollect, in Star Trek, they had a special interface which was called as a replicator, and it will just give the food that they wanted. They just had to ask for an ice cream sundae, and it will provide an ice cream sundae, or a coffee, and it will provide a coffee. So how could that happen? Because at the end of the day, everything is molecular. Everything is arrangement of atoms and molecules. That's what determines the nature of the substance. So now we are in the realm where we are able to play around with nucleotides. And most of our food materials are made out of genetic material. Like if I had to look at apple or banana or whatever. So it's very much possible that sooner rather than later, we might be having devices which could print out meat, which could print out bananas or things like that. So I'm thinking as a Trekkie, it may or may not happen, but it's bringing the aspiration of having a replicator device closer than it was when I started watching Star Trek many decades ago. So friends, that brings me to an end of this video. I would like to hear your comments. Please put your comments below, and I'm always looking forward to hear what our community is thinking about. And with that, I would like to bring this video to an end. I hope you have a great day. And if you liked this video, please do not hesitate to press a like out there, because it helps the algorithm and it helps promote the video. I will be really grateful if you could do that for me. Thanks and have a great day. Bye for now.